My name is Katrina Lucio, and I will be teaching you how to do an oil change. You're going to start with the inspection of the oil by first checking the dipstick and making sure you have the right amount of oil, as well as checking to see if there's any dirt or if it's dark black. It should be an amber color and have smooth texture. So rub it in between your fingers, and if you feel any dirt, if it looks dark, there's probably something wrong with it. You're going to want to regularly change your oil every 3,000 miles or 3 months. You should also check and remove the oil cap as not to create pressure when you drain the oil. On the oil cap, it'll also see what type of oil your vehicle needs. Once you're finished inspecting the oil, you're going to want to raise your vehicle, and underneath you'll find the oil drain plug. It may be behind a splash guard, so you might have to remove that first. Once you found the drain plug, you'll want to use the proper fitting socket and ratchet to remove it carefully. And drain the oil into an oil pan so it can be safely disposed of later. Be careful to keep the oil away from your skin or your mouth or your eyes. Once the oil is drained, you may put the drain plug back on where you find the oil filter. The oil filter can come in many shapes and sizes, so you may want to look up what type it is for the vehicle. You should use a special filter wrench to remove the old filter. Then replace it with a new one after first writing down the date, the shop name on the new filter. You should only hand tighten the filter, as over tightening may cause issues. Once this is finished, you can once again lower your vehicle and finally put the new oil filter into the car. The inside of the driver's side door or the hood of the vehicle should say how much oil is needed to put in. Finally, in order to test everything, you may run the car for a short time, then once again inspect the oil by using the dipstick. And that is how you change oil.